Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create CSV file in Excel and Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can create CSV file in Excel. Here I have opened my Excel document and we're going to go to the file and select save as. And we're going to save this file as CSV file. Wait, I'm going to save it to this folder. Okay, we can select the type here and then you can choose CSV. Okay, this one, and then just click on save, then the CSV file will be created. Okay, and then the second one, I'm going to show you how we can create CSV file in Google Sheets. I'm going to go to my Google Sheets and then we're going to export this Google Sheets to CSV file. So we're going to go to the file and then we can click on download and select CSV format. Okay. And now it's done. The CSV file has been created with this Google Sheets file. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create CSV file in Excel and Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.